You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global markets started the week with strong gains, driven by positive signals from Geneva, where trade negotiations between the United States and China took place. Officials from both sides reported reaching an important consensus, although no specific details of the agreement have been disclosed. Futures for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq rose by 1.2% and 1.4%, respectively, while European and Asian indices also posted moderate gains. Investors are hopeful that potential tariff reductions could support global economic growth and help avoid a recession. The US dollar gained ground against safe haven currencies like the yen and the Swiss franc following encouraging news about the U.S.-China trade talks. The dollar rose 0.4% against the yen and 0.5% against the franc, hovering near a one-month high. At the same time, risk-sensitive currencies such as the Australian and New Zealand dollars also strengthened. Investors are now awaiting key U.S. inflation and retail sales data to gauge how global trade tensions might influence the economy and Federal Reserve policy. Oil prices increased on the back of reports indicating progress in U.S.-China trade negotiations, reviving market optimism and suggesting stronger demand in the world's two largest oil-consuming countries. Brent crude futures rose by 0.67%, while WTI climbed 0.79%. Both benchmarks had already gained over $1 on Friday and posted weekly gains exceeding 4%, their first positive weekly performance since mid-April. However, planned output increases by OPEC Plus in May and June could limit further price growth. Now to the crypto market. The United Kingdom has unveiled a draft regulation treating digital assets as securities, aiming to position itself as a safe haven for the crypto industry. Under the proposed framework, crypto exchanges, dealers, and agents will be regulated similarly to traditional financial institutions, with requirements for transparency, consumer protection, and operational resilience. The draft introduces 6 newly regulated activities, including crypto trading, custody, and staking. Companies will have a 2-year transition period to adapt their systems. Experts believe this initiative could attract more investment and strengthen the UK's position as a global leader in digital finance. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.